Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something incredibly exciting to share with you. I was invited out to film one of the most unique boats I've ever seen. A cross between a speedboat and a Porsche. And not any kind of Porsche, a Carrera GT. Now let's sit back and relax, enjoy the sounds, and we'll get into the details a little bit later in the video. First off, the Fearless 28 is a masterpiece. With only 25 ever made, exclusivity is built right into its DNA. The sleek and seamless lines designed by Porsche Design Studios are inspired by their legendary Carrera GT. It's got that same bold aerodynamic vibe, but on the water. Most Fearless 28 boats came with the iconic Dodge Viper V10 engine, but this one is a little bit different. It's powered by a Mercury Racing 600 cubic inch engine enhanced with a Whipple Stage 2 supercharger kit, taking the performance to another level. Delivering insane power and speed, is only one of 4 boats in this configuration, making it a true rarity. With that kind of power, it's able to propel this boat to over 90 miles an hour. Another interesting fact about this boat, it was built by Donzi Marine, one of the most iconic names in powerboat history. For those who don't know, Donzi Marine has been the leader in powerboat performance for decades. Known for their innovation and attention to detail, Donzi is a name that commands respect in the boating world. So when Porsche teamed up with them, it was like the ultimate collaboration, a dream team of marine and automotive excellence. The twin-step deep V-hull, a signature of Donzi's engineering, gives it incredible speed and stability. Even at top speeds, it cuts through the waves like a knife. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to say a special thanks to Paul from Laps of Lux, and a special thanks to Mr. Jimmy Williams for showing us this beautiful boat. I hope you enjoy the rest of these drone shots. If you guys want to see more videos like this, hit like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel so I can post more.